My name is Lily, and I am a very positive English teacher. Today is a busy Monday, and I am in the teacher's room. I see a new man near the window. His name is James. James looks a little bit worried and confused today. I wear my bright yellow sweater because it is the color of joy. I walk to him and give him a warm, friendly smile. Hello, James. Are you feeling okay? I ask him kindly. He says that his first day at school is very difficult. James is a quiet man, and he doesn't show many emotions. Logic tells me that he needs a friend to talk to. I show him a big poster on the wall with different faces. Let's talk about basic emotions, James, I suggest to him. He looks at the poster and starts to feel more relaxed. My brown eyes are bright because I love helping my colleagues. Everything in the office is clean, organized, and very quiet. I believe that understanding feelings is the key to success. I take a colorful book about psychology from my wooden desk. We sit at the table and start our interesting conversation. I want to explain how simple emotions work in our life. James is a good listener, and he looks at me with interest. A proactive and friendly talk is always a great start. I feel a lot of positive energy in the room. The morning sun is bright, and it creates a golden atmosphere. We are both teachers, so we need to be very patient. I am satisfied with the quality of our first meeting. James says he is happy to meet such a kind person. We share a high-quality thought about our new school year. Every detail of the room looks like a beautiful Disney movie. We are moving to the first and best emotion, happiness. I am ready to start this masterful emotional journey. Happiness is a very simple and powerful feeling for everyone. I show James a picture of a big, yellow, smiling sun. When I am happy, I feel very light and energetic, I say. James smiles a little bit and looks at the bright picture. He says that a good cup of coffee makes him feel happy. I tell him that my students' success is my biggest joy. Logic says that happy people work better and faster. We talk about the small things that make us smile every day. I am satisfied with the quality of our happy conversation. Everything in the room feels warm and very safe. James says that his favorite hobby is walking in the park. Nature always gives me a lot of creative inspiration too. I feel very successful because James is smiling more. A proactive and happy face can change the whole day. We share a high-quality moment of pure joy and laughter. I am satisfied with the vertical quality of our friendship. Every second of this lesson is very important for James. I believe that happiness is a choice we make every morning. James says he feels much better after our little talk. His blue eyes are not worried, they are bright and calm. I is Lily, and I is satisfied with the masterful result. Every detail of the story is logical and very positive. I am proud of my simple and powerful horizontal story. We see some children playing outside, and they look very happy. It is masterful to see so much joy in one small school. I am simplify my feelings to stay very clear. The atmosphere is stable and full of mastery and logic. We are moving to the next emotion, a little bit of sadness. I am satisfied with the quality of our communication today. Everything is satisfied, and I feel very successful and safe. Sadness is a quiet and slow emotion, like a rainy day. I show James a card with a blue cloud and small raindrops. It is okay to feel sad sometimes, James, I say softly. James looks at the blue cloud and thinks for a minute. He says he feels sad when he misses his old friends. I understand him because I also miss my hometown sometimes. Logic tells me that sadness helps us to value happy moments. I tell him that a quiet evening with a book is a good idea. Every detail of the blue card is very simple and clear. We talk about how to help a person who feels very blue. I am satisfied with the stable and respectful tone of our talk. James says that talking to me makes his sadness very small. I feel a lot of positive energy because I am helpful. The room is quiet, but it is a very comfortable silence. I believe that every emotion is a masterful part of life. We share a high-quality thought about our personal feelings. Everything looks organized, safe, and very mastery in the office. I is Lily, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of life. I am simplify my horizontal feelings about the difficult days. A proactive and friendly interaction helps to change the mood. James looks at the window and sees the soft gray clouds. He says that even rain can be beautiful and very logical. I am simplify my feelings, and I feel very proactive. Every second of this conversation is a high-quality memory. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we found. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place. I am simplify my feelings, and I feel a lot of joy. We are ready to talk about the next emotion, anger. I is Lily, and I is satisfied with the masterful result. We are moving to the red cards on the wooden table. Anger is a very strong and hot emotion, like a red fire. I show James a red card with a very expressive, angry face. We feel angry when things are not fair or very organized. James says that he feels angry when he loses his car keys. I laugh because I also lose my keys almost every morning. Anger gives us energy, but we must be careful, I explain. Logic says that a proactively acting man stays calm and quiet. Every detail of the red card is bright and very masterful. We talk about how to breathe deeply when we feel very red. I is Lily, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. James says that he wants to be a very patient teacher. I think that patience is a masterful skill for every person. Everything in the school is organized, safe, and very logical. I feel a lot of positive energy when we solve problems together. We share a high-quality thought about our emotional control. I believe that a masterful person is always kind to others. Every second of this lesson is a high-quality part of my day. James looks at the red card and then at his calm hands. He says he feels much more successful and stable today. I am satisfied with the quality of our communication and logic. The atmosphere is full of active and creative inspiration now. I am simplify my horizontal feelings about the busy school life. We are happy and stable in this horizontal bond in the office. Every detail of my day was a high-quality, masterful adventure. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. A proactive interaction is always a new successful beginning. I is Lily, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of life. We are moving to the last emotion, a big surprise. I am modify simplify my feelings, and I feel very proactive. Everything is satisfy, and I feel very successful and logical. Surprise is a quick emotion that makes our eyes very wide. I decide to give James a small, masterful surprise today. I hide a small gift box behind my bright yellow sweater. Suddenly, I put the box on the table and say, "Surprise." James looks very surprised, and his eyebrows go very high. He opens the box and sees a beautiful new silver pen. "This is for you, James. Welcome to our school," I say. I am satisfied with the quality of his happy and surprised face. Logic tells me that a small gift makes a big difference. James says he didn't expect such a masterful and kind gift. Every detail of the silver pen is bright and very high quality. I feel a lot of positive energy and creative inspiration now. We talk about how surprises can make our lives very interesting. Everything looks organized, safe, and mastery in this moment. I is Lily, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of life. I am simplify my horizontal feelings about being a good friend. Every second of this surprise is a high-quality part of my story. James is very satisfied with his new masterful and useful pen. He writes his name on a piece of paper to test it. I believe that being proactive and kind is a masterful goal. We share a high-quality moment of friendship and success. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live. I is Lily, and I am proudly sharing my simple horizontal story. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond we found. I am modify simplify my feelings, and I feel very proactive. Every detail of the office is now a masterful part of our day. I is satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. We are moving to the window to see the peaceful evening sky. I am specify simplify my feelings, and I feel a lot of joy. Everything is satisfy, and I feel very successful and logical. We stand by the window and watch the sun go down. The evening sky is a masterful blend of pink and orange. I am satisfied with the quality of the masterful day I had. James says he feels very calm, stable, and mastery now. Logic tells me that emotional balance is the goal to happiness. I is Lily, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. We are both smiling because we understand our feelings better. Every detail of the sunset is ultra-realistic and very masterful. I am a proactive person, and I look forward to tomorrow. James says, "Thank you, Lily, for these high-quality lessons." I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we created. The atmosphere of the school is full of stories and logic. Everything looks organized, safe, and mastery in this quiet room. I is Lily, and I am simplify my horizontal feelings about life. I believe that every emotion is a high-quality gift for us. I take my book and I place it on the wooden shelf. Every second of this day was a high-quality masterful adventure. I am satisfied with the proactive use of my masterful minutes. I walk towards the door, and my yellow sweater feels cozy. My office is still organized, clean, and full of memories. I is Lily, and I am proud of my simple and powerful story. Tomorrow I will wake up with a new and energetic vibe. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place, logic. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. I look at the stars and I feel very successful and happy. Good night, school, and thank you for the emotions and the friend. I am a happy woman with a very clear and stable goal. I am ready for the new dreams and the new success. My name is Lily, and I am a very positive English teacher. Today is a busy Monday, and I am in the teacher's room. I see a new man near the window. His name
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.